Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
And today we're coming back with you Sneakerheads with a more detailed review. Bam! Got these. As you know, you've seen these before. It does come with that elephant print standard box. They do look like, I'm kind of confused. This is like a grayish. Even though these, as you see, this is my size 10, Jordan 3 Retro Midnight Navy, as the box reads. Open up the box, we do have that standard elephant print paper. Bam! I got these. I got the shoes. Again, like I said, I wanted to get these before I get the Jordan 3 Crafts. So let me know in the comments, sneakerheads, were you able to cop these? I did get these on sale on the retail. I did win a bid from StockX, like I've been telling y'all, sneakerheads. The time right now is to buy while everything, the prices are dropping, especially on hot shoes. Again, this is a very clean pair of shoe. It does feature that white upper, that gray elephant print that we all love. Not OG, so we had that standard Jumpman with the air on the back. This is a clean pair of shoes with that midnight navy. As you see, doing out the midsole. Does come with them clean white laces. I don't think I'll change the laces on these to keep it more a clean look. It does have that midnight navy Jumpman on the tongue, which I do think makes the shoe pop. Come around, it does have that midnight navy on the collar. I do like that the sock liner is gray. As we see the inside, we're looking at midnight navy on the sock liner with that Air Jordan in white to make the shoe pop again. Now at the bottom, we do have that standard Air Jordan traction that we're used to seeing on all Jordan 3s. It does come with that gray outsole on the toe and at the heel. It does come with that midnight navy pod right there. Jordan branding in midnight navy as well, surrounded by that white. This is a very clean shoe, in my opinion. Let me know, were you able to cop these sneakerheads? My team is the Houston Texans, and their team's colors are red, white, and navy. So anytime that I do try to, navy shoes are kind of hard to find sometimes, unless it's the Olympics, is when they drop mostly the red, white, and blue shoes. So anytime that I do get a chance to cop a navy pair of shoes, I'd go ahead and scoop them up. A lot of times we do have that racer blue or bright blue, so it's hardly that a shoe comes out in navy. So I'm happy I was able to cop these for less than retail. And again, as you see the front, it does have that widow's peak right there. A lot of Jordan's been coming out with the widow's peak lately. I don't know what's up with that. This nice tumble leather on the toe. It does, as you can see, the tumble leather looks really, really nice. I do like the way that this looks. Again, sneakerheads, please let me know in the comments, were you able to cop these? Are you rocking the midnight navies? Appreciate y'all for supporting us, sneakerheads, and stay tuned to the next one.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.
peace.